side. Suitcase standing by the kitchen chair, but the man I love weren't standing there. Train tracks coming down the line, carrying dreams that once were mine. He kissed my hand in the landing line, then vanished into the wartime night. Oh Lord, the train left before the sun came up, left my coffee cold in the cup, left my heart where the whistle cried, and carried my sweetheart with the tide. Every morning I walk that road, past the church and the cotton rows, listening close for a distant sound, hoping his boots come back around. Station master grown old and gray, says lots of boys went that way. Some came back with silver hair, some never found the road back here. Oh Lord, the train left before the sun came up, left my coffee cold in the cup, left my heart where the whistle cried, and carried my sweetheart with the tide. Steam and smoke, ashes and rain. Some folks return, some become names. Now the years drift slow and long, same porch swing, same old song. I still leave one lamp aglow for a man that the train won't show. Yeah, the train left before the sun came up, time kept turning that empty cup. If heaven knows where his footsteps roam, tell him his woman still waits at home. Three winters come, three gone by, same gray clouds in the southern sky. Last letter falling inside my dress, every crease remembers loneliness. Ink turned brown where my tears once fell, words I know so well. Darling, keep your faith in me, that's the last thing he wrote to me. 3 winters since his last letter came, still calling softly his name. The mailbox knows my pain. 3 winters since his last letter came. Church bell ring on a Sunday morning, old black coat looking dog knows my pain. 3 winters since his last letter came. Lord, if you're sleeping beneath foreign clay, tell him I never gave his love away. Spring flowers bloom around the gate, but flowers don't know how to wait. I still keep his picture near, the same young face year after year. 3 winters and my heart remains. Oh, love survives the rain till the angels call my name. I'll wait for one more letter to come again. 3 winters. 3 winters. 3 winters. Saturday night in Arkansas, rain taps soft on the cabin wall. Mama sewn up another sleep while I listen to frequencies. Old Philco radio glowed dim, buzzing through every station again. Sometimes music, sometimes news, sometimes nothing but wartime blues. Every crackle made me stop, every voice made my heart drop, wondering if somewhere overseas he was hearing the same things as me. Oh, radio static on Saturday night, searching the darkness for a little light. The world sounds far when love's out of sight. The radio static on Saturday night. Names of boys the war had missed. Mama crossed herself and prayed. I just stared and looked away. Outside the freight train on low, heading south through the rain and cold. Inside that room the shadows grew while I held on to what I knew. That somewhere beyond the ocean foam there lived a man who called me home. And maybe if I listened right, I'd hear him through the static tonight. Radio static on a Saturday night, searching the darkness for a little light. The world sounds far when love's out of sight. Through radio static on Saturday night. The radio kept talking, the room kept listening. Near midnight the signal died, left only silence by my side. Rain kept falling on the tin roof high, same as tears, nobody saw me cry. I turned the dial one final time, heard a hymn drift through the line. And for a moment everything felt right in that little room. Saturday night. Radio static on a Saturday night, still echoes somewhere in my mind. If memory has a voice and a light, it sounds like that Saturday night. Cold December drifted in through the cracks around the window trim. Frost lay white upon the ground, not a single soul around. I reached across the bed that night, same as I had done before daylight. Found nothing but an empty sheet and memories where his hand should be. The war had taken nearly 4 years and left me alone with prayers and tears. Every morning felt the same, calling softly on his name. Lord, it's the empty side of the bed that hurts the most when all is said. Not the headlines people read, just the empty side of the bed. His jacket hang beside the door, right where he left it years before. I tell myself I'll put it away, but somehow never find the day. The radio talks of victory, of ships and flags across the sea, but none of those reports can mend the space where my world used to end. Church bells ring each Sunday morning, same as when our love was born. Yet every hymn sounds bittersweet when one voice is missing from the seed. Lord, it's the empty side of the bed that hurts the most when all is said. Not the headlines people read, just the empty side of the bed. The war is over, the loneliness isn't. Now years move slower than they should, past the fields and through the woods. And every winter brings me back to the night he left that track. If heaven keeps account somehow, I hope he's thinking of me now, 'cause every dream before I wake still finds that place beside me vacant. Lord, it's the empty side of the bed that follows me wherever I tread. Long after every tear is shed, it's still the empty side of the bed. Lord, it's the empty side of the bed that hurts the most when all is said. Not the headlines people read, just the empty side of the bed. This morning I heard the screen door shake. Sun wasn't high and the ground still ached. Mailman rode slow down Hickory Lane. Same brown satchel, same old reins. I stood by the fence in my Sunday shoes, holding my breath like I always do. He tipped his hat, but he never blow once again. Mama watched quiet from the kitchen thing. She knew that look and she knew that pain. War had taught us both the same, how to wait for news that never came. Oh, the mailman passed our gate again, left nothing but dust upon the wind. Every morning starts the same, with hope too stubborn to give up his name. I wrote him letters all through the spring, told him about every little thing. The preacher's mule, the river flood, how Tommy Baker got drafted up. Told him the roses finally bloomed, told him the church got a brand new room, told him I still wore his ring and prayed for him through everything. But months roll by and the answers died like train smoke drifting across the sky. And every night before I slept, I read old letters and quietly wept. Oh, the mailman passed our gate again, left nothing but dust upon the wind. Every morning starts the same, with hope too stubborn to give up his name. Some women got letters, some women got telegrams, some women got silence. War ended down in 45. Bands played loud and the town came alive. Men stepped off trains to cheers and tears, while I kept counting empty years. The mailbox leans where it always stood, weathered gray from sun and wood. And every creak when the wind blows through sounds a little bit like news. Oh, the mailman passed our gate again, and I watched him disappear around the bend. If love survives through ache and blame, it survives through waiting all the same. There's a photograph above my bed, same young smile, same tilted head, uniform, neat boots shining bright, taken before he boarded that night. Every morning I dust the frame, run my fingers across his name. Outside the world keeps moving on, but inside this room he's never gone. Lord, keep watch on the soldier in the frame. Time gets older, but it stays the same. Everybody changed when the war winds came, except the soldier in the photograph frame. crowded trains, laughing loud through the summer rain. But my front porch stayed still in bed, only shadows gathered there. The station master shook his head, every answer left unsaid. Lord, keep watch on the soldier in the frame. Time gets older, but he stays the same. Everybody changed when the war winds came in, except the soldier in the photograph frame. Some folks got home, some folks got stories, some folks got silence. Now my hair's touched by winter snow, more years gone than I'll ever know. Yet every night before I sleep, I whisper promises I still keep. And when my own last train rolls near, I hope you'll be the face I see appear, waiting beyond sorrow and blame, like the soldier in the photograph frame. Lord, keep watch on the soldier in the frame. I still call softly his name. If heaven remembers what earth became, send me home to that photograph frame. Three winters come, 3 winters gone. Frost on the field before the dawn. Mailman's horse still knows my lane, but he ain't brought news in years again. I patched my coat and mended shoes, learned how to live with wartime blues. Yet every snowfall speaks his name, through 3 winters without a letter came. Oh Lord, 3 winters cold and gray, still I kneel down every day. Ask the wind if it knows the way to the man who never found his way. The train depot closed last spring. No more whistles, no bells to ring. Old folks say I ought to move on, but some roots grow deep when love is gone. His coffee cup sits on a shelf, I can't bring myself. Some things time cannot explain, like 3 winters waiting in vain. Oh Lord, 3 winters cold and gray, still I kneel down every day. Ask the wind if it knows the way to the man who never found his way. Maybe he's gone, maybe he's free, maybe he's free, maybe he's somewhere, remembering me, remembering me. Tonight the snow falls soft and white, covering tracks beneath the night. And if tomorrow brings the same, I'll still rise and call his name. cried low, dust rolled lazy down the county road. Mama was sweeping by the kitchen door when a black Ford stopped where it never stopped before. A man in uniform held his hat, wouldn't meet her eyes when he handed that. She stood still while the screen door swayed and the summer birds all flew away. Oh Lord, that telegram folded small, slipped inside Mama's Bible and said it all.
No goodbye kiss,
no goodbye kiss, no homeward train, just a folded page and a lifetime pain. Sunday came and the church bell rang, same old hymns that we always sang. Mama sat quiet in the second pew, holding that paper like it wasn't true. Preacher talked of heaven's shore, but Mama stared at the wooden floor, and every amen sounded plain against the hurt she could not name. Oh Lord, that telegram folded small, slipped inside Mama's Bible and said it all.
no goodbye kiss,
no goodbye kiss, no homeward train, just a folded page and a lifetime pain. Some folks bury a body, some folks bury a name. Mama buried a promise, ain't the same. Years went by, but she kept it there, between Psalms and an old prayer. Bible worn by her trembling hands, paper yellow as a delta sand. When Mama passed on a winter night, I found that telegram tucked in tight, and the tears fell slow like southern rain for the son who never came again. Lord, Lord, that telegram folded small, still echoes through that church hall.
no trumpet church hall,
No trumpet sound, no